Hi there. This tutorial will show you how to run Acouso's acoustic analysis across an entire project. To begin, click the Acouso-ROOM button in the Acouso ribbon. This will open the Acouso window, where you can configure your project settings and run the analysis. Upon the window opening, you'll first see the Project Standards tab. On the left side, you'll see a list of the unique room names detected in your Revit model. On the right, you'll see the project standard currently applied to your project, along with the occupancy types available within that standard. Next, you can assign occupancy types to the rooms. Simply select one or multiple rooms from this list, choose the appropriate occupancy type, and select Set Occupancy. For this example, we'll assign Design Office to the Design Office rooms. We'll also assign the board and conference room to the Einstein's boardroom. In a real project, you would repeat this process to ensure that all rooms are assigned the correct occupancy type. These occupancy types determine the acoustic targets used during the analysis. Next, open the Settings tab. Here, you can adjust how Acouso performs the reverberation calculations. For example, you can choose the calculation method used for the analysis. You can also adjust the room boundary settings, which control how the software interprets room geometry during the calculations. On the right side of the window, you'll see the Analysis Override Resets panel. During a project, you may manually override certain room settings, such as occupancy types, materials, recommendations, geometry overrides, or comments. If these overrides become outdated or need to be cleared, you can reset them here. Keep in mind that all resets are permanent, so they should be used carefully. Once your project standards and occupancy types are configured, you can run the analysis. So click Run Acoustic Analysis. Acouso will gather the relevant information from your model and send it to Acouso's cloud analysis servers. The acoustic calculations are then performed, and the results are returned to your project. After the analysis completes, open the Project Schedule tab. Here you can see the acoustic results for all rooms in the project. The schedule displays the room name, the assigned occupancy type, the recommended reverberation time, the theoretical RT60, and the amount of perfectly absorptive material required to meet the target. For example, here you can see the design office rooms, their calculated reverberation times, and how much NRC1 absorption area would be required to satisfy the acoustic recommendations. These results are integrated throughout Acouso. They can be used directly in other tools such as the Room Analysis window, where you can further refine surface materials and acoustic treatments to achieve compliance. And that's how you can run Acouso's acoustic analysis across your entire Revit project.